next one is from download intermediary to the streaming intermediary.
The J-Man is an example of this strategic direction. They initially provided downloadable services by offering movies, and they currently modified it in which they allow for viewing of streaming media over the internet. By that, they achieved reducing the initial risk associated with the DGB investment, and it is an effective strategy for smaller business-sized DGB firms.
Is it popular nowadays, or people are using, or I think it's not that much popular?
I don't think so.
Yeah. This one from download direct to the streaming direct.
So Reflexive is a example in which it has used this strategic direction. They initially developed 19 games focused on a download PC games, but then they expanded their services to focus on online web games, and doing so will offer a variety of value-added services, as well as providing high-quality digital goods to consumers. And thus, streaming the DGB provides a solution to extend their power into new parts of the organization.